I think the bat signal just came out for everyone. Now people are tweeting, retweeting this, or liking this because Michael Burry just came out and said he is feeling greedy right now in this market because you've seen the last 2 days, the market has been shooting up green. Is this the end of the bear market / recession? Do we still have a long way to go? There's two sides of this coin. I want to know, what stocks are you buying today? What stocks are you thinking about? There's a lot of companies undervalued or below where they should be trading at. So what are you guys doing? What is Michael Burry doing? He is telling you right now he has feelings, but I still think he's bearish on the overall economy. So let's see how this can go. But before we do, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm always providing us with so much new content. So click that like button, click that subscribe button right now. So we're gonna get into the stocks that I'm liking in this market because Michael Burry's feeling greedy. I've always been feeling greedy. Let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna try to make this video nice and sweet. I want you to tell me which out of these 4 stocks are you buying. So get to the number 4 before you comment and leave a like on this video. So guys, tell me what you are buying in the market, or if you're buying something else, tell me what you're buying right now because the market is providing discounts. So let's get into this video quickly. Number 1, we got Alphabet stock. Right now, Alphabet is selling at a 19 PE, $1.3 trillion market cap, 101 USD today. So just in its 52-week low of $95, just around like 5 days ago, guys. So that just shows you how low the stock has been going so far. This stock has been trading at its lowest valuation in like 10 years, which is pretty insane. You don't see this a lot, especially with these high-tech companies with these strong moats. So with Google, you can't go wrong. They have Google search. Google search will be around for years coming. They have YouTube, will be around for years coming. I really like their Waymo bet. It's kind of underrated right now. No one's really talking about it. I love Google Maps. They have everything going for Google right now. Androids, it's so undervalued in my opinion. Look how much revenue it's been generating: 23%, 18%, 12%, 41%. This is back in 2021, so it wasn't that far ago. So what's gonna happen in 2022 is probably to go cheaper, but guys, it doesn't matter. We're looking 5-10 years out from now. 56% gross margins, and this is the biggest thing about this business. It's generating 29% return on equity, 20% return on capital, 14% return on assets. So this business is just killing it with its reinvestment, what it's generating on its assets, and it's generating a 5.4% yield. Holy crow, like 5.4% yield. That is trading at its lowest amount in like forever. You probably might not see this again in a long time. So guys, take advantage of Google. That's my first pick. My second pick is Berkshire Hathaway. This is more of a defensive play, if I'm being honest, because I just like what they're doing. I like what Warren Buffett's doing with the company. It has over $100 billion in cash, and it's a bet on the whole gas industry, oil and gas industry, because they're buying Oxy like crazy. So I don't really have to make a bet on Oxy itself because Berkshire's doing it for me with $100 billion in cash. So they're going to be able to withstand this recession, this economic downturn. So I have high faith in what Berkshire Hathaway is doing, and it's a bet on Apple, which I don't own Apple myself. So if I buy Berkshire, I'm getting Apple and all the oil and gas companies and the banking companies. So it's a nice overall bet, and I'm betting that Berkshire Hathaway will rebound from here. It's selling at a cheap valuation. Remember, Warren Buffett himself was buying back shares around 260, 270. So that just goes to show you that he thinks it's undervalued at 260, 270. When Warren Buffett is buying back shares, he's saying his business is cheap. That's the only reason why he would buy back shares. So he thinks it's cheap. We have Greg Abel buying back shares as well. So you just know he thinks, those two think the business is cheap at this point. And I think it's cheap as well. And I always loved Berkshire Hathaway. So I think this is a good company to buy right now. Guys, do your own research on this company, but this is an amazing investment right now, in my opinion. Third company is Equitable Bank, and my fourth company is actually TD. I'm getting more into the dividend stocks. I've been kind of neglecting the dividend side of the market because I was just too focused on growth. I think growth is amazing, but guys, I'm not a rich guy, man. So I want to supplement my income that I make from my job with dividend income so I can make an extra 10, 15,000. Who knows? But this is an amazing way to start this dividend income journey. TD Bank, one of the best banks in Canada, getting a 4.2% yield, 11 PE. This company is still growing. TD. It's selling very cheap right now. And we have to remember with banks like EQB, which is generating a crazy amount of income, revenue growth over 10-15%, high return on equity. It has everything going from it, even selling below book value for EQB. So a lot of these bank stocks are getting hit really hard because of the economic times. But when you actually look at their balance sheet, you look at what they loan out, and you're looking at their expense ratios and all of that, these banks are offering really good returns. If you want me to do a bigger deep dive on EQB and TD, tell me down below. But I think these banks have huge potential to grow into the future while providing a dividend growth story. This is 2.5 right now, PE 5. And the PE is really cheap for a company growing 10-15% revenue growth and net income growth. So I see a high ceiling for both of these companies. Also, there's stocks like Meta, like Baba, like all those stocks like Tencent, JD.com, like Micron, all of those stocks I have in my portfolio, but I kind of just already put as much money as I needed into those companies. So I'm not really trying to buy those companies. I'm trying to look for other opportunities. And you're going to see me doing more dividend stocks, more dividend investing. When I invest in dividend stocks, I'm looking for more of the growth field, dividends with growth. Sometimes income depending on how I'm feeling. So into the future, you're gonna probably see me do more dividend companies, dividend growth stories. So leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you're buying right now in this market. This market is beginning selling off. It's a perfect buying opportunity for you if you're doing your due diligence. So guys, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.